The L700 Pro is a fully automated 3D facial video lock developed on the Tuya platform. Next, we will demonstrate the installation and usage. First, check the flat height of the cylinder before installation. When the cylinder protrudes 3 mm above the protective cover, use the hex screw for installation. If the cylinder is 3 mm below the protective cover, install it with double-sided tape and attach appropriate spacer between the mounting plate and the door. After installation, you can proceed with pairing according to the app's instructions. Users can unlock using 6 methods: fingerprint, password, 3D facial recognition, PAVIN, remote real-time video unlock, and app-based unlocking. Additionally, users can remotely monitor via audio and video anytime. This is a high cost-effective 3-in-1 product: doorbell, Wi-Fi door viewer, and a Bluetooth smart lock. Currently, 2 colors are available for selection: black and silver. Welcome to order samples.